especially on this bear market when it is very hard to raise funds from VCs. Founders are asking me, come on, when we were on a pitch deck level, they asked for an MVP. We built an MVP, they are asking for community. We built the community, they are still asking for some numbers. Give me the clarity, what investors want to see in our project. Yeah, what kind of traction?
Your questions are never simple, Nelly. Users and volume, I guess.
Users and volume.
Yeah, transactions, if it's an exchange traded volume, I mean, whatever game volume of, I don't know, market, I mean, whatever it is, in a different business, it will be different volume, right?
If I put my investor hat on when I do, it's about checking out the smart contracts, checking GitHub, making sure the community is actually real and not just a bunch of marketers.
If you're starting up a company, especially in this climate, a year and a half after the most recent big bull cycle, it really comes down to track history. And sometimes that means case history and providing investors information on the progress that you're making, because typically you're not seeing investors taking risks on projects that haven't developed products yet. So just showcasing and highlighting that you've actually started to do what you say you're going to do. You started generating revenue, and then you have a plan to take that further and scale it up.
I think for the infrastructure or like some consensus there, look deeply into the protocol. The code itself is kind of important, especially in this bear market, to figure out the fundamental technical barriers. And shout out to and echoing all the opinions above all the VCs. I think for the application, community is important, and it's kind of hard, and because the market sentiment, especially in the bear market, is hard for them to capture all the community. So how do they manage the community is important for the application. And about open finance or DeFi, how the go-to-market strategy and their revenue streams is important for us. At this. So yeah, there's some thought about the infrastructure or the DeFi projects or application projects that we consider important and critical, and we would love to know more. And if the project got this, there will be some good potential in our opinions.
That is a great example of the proverb, best product never wins, which means that it's not enough to get great tech, or great product. You need to prove that you are able to deliver it, to distribute to potential users and customers, right?
Exactly.